Welcome to Quick Aircraft Facts. Our mission is to teach those interested about aircraft in 3 minutes or less.
This giant aircraft was designed to replace the C-141 Starlifter and to aid the C-5 Galaxy with extremely large and bulky cargo that can be difficult to transport. The C-17's role is to be a strategic and tactical airlifter. This means that it is to bring items from any point in the world to a theater of operations. It also means that it is tasked with transporting cargo within a theater of operations as well. This massive aircraft can transport one M1A1 tank, or 3 Strykers, or 6 ASVs. Depending on configuration, 102 paratroopers or 134 troopers can be transported. The C-17 story begins in the 1970s when the United States Air Force was wanting to replace the C-130. Then, in the 1980s, the Air Force realized that it needed to replace the C-141 Starlifter. If you've seen our C-5 Galaxy video, then this story might sound familiar. Fair warning, this next part will sound familiar too. Oh, spoiler alert! McDonnell Douglas was awarded the contract to produce the new aircraft that could greatly improve the Air Force's strategic lift capabilities. Things were looking promising. However, limited funding and other factors led to problems similar to the C-5's development. In short, the C-17 failed to meet standards and production costs were going over budget. As a result of the issues, the number of planes ordered was significantly reduced. The engineers resolved the production issues and the C-17 reached its full potential. It has broken 22 records, and in 1994, it received the Collier Trophy, which is a prestigious award presented annually by the U.S. Aeronautic Association. According to NAA records, the award was presented to the United States Air Force, the McDonnell Douglas Corporation, the United States Army, and the C-17 industrial team of subcontractors and suppliers for designing, developing, testing, producing, and placing into service the C-17 Globemaster 3, whose performance and efficiency make it the most versatile airlift aircraft in aviation history.